blizzard is here. The brutal winter snowstorm today. Winter storm warning. We still have winter storm warning. Our winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. EST Tuesday. It started last night, Sunday, at around 8 p.m. and it will end until 6 a.m. Tuesday. So, our additional snow accumulation up to 24 inches and ice accumulations of light glaze. You see the surroundings is all white and all white. I want to say I'm dreaming of a white, but it's not yet. It's already February 1st. It's no longer December. I want to say I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. But it's not Christmas already. It's first day of February and the blizzard is coming. It's a brutal winter snowstorm in our place. So, where do you go? Ito ang blizzard na experience ko dito. It's cold, very cold. Okay, we cannot stay long. We cannot stay for long in this outside. We have to go indoor because we might have hypothermia. Oh my God, it's hypothermia. Thank you for watching my video.